Hi, you're watching At the Bench with Norgen Biotek. Today, we will be demonstrating the step-by-step workflow for the Urine Exosome Purification Midi Kit, catalog number 57800. This kit does not require time-consuming ultracentrifugation, filtration, or special syringes. Precipitation reagents, overnight incubation, and protease treatment are also not required for this procedure. This kit has a versatile sample input ranging from 2 ml to 10 ml. Exosomes are purified and are free from any other RNA-binding proteins. Upon opening the kit, you will find a detailed product insert, ExoC Buffer, ExoR Buffer, Slurry E, and mini filter spin columns. You as the user will need to provide 15 ml conical tubes, and, if needed, nuclease-free water. To prepare your urine sample, collect and transfer 15 to 50 milliliters of urine into a conical tube, and centrifuge at 1000 RPM for 10 minutes to remove urine-exfoliated cells and debris. Decant cell-free urine into a new 15 to 50 milliliter conical tube. Centrifuge the cell-free urine at 3000 RPM for 10 minutes to remove any residual debris or bacterial cells. Transfer cell-free urine into a fresh 15 to 50 milliliter conical tube. Cell-free urine is now ready for exosome purification. To 10 milliliters of urine, add 1/10 the initial urine volume of ExoC Buffer. Mix Slurry E well prior to use. For optimal performance, ensure that resin is completely resuspended. Followed by the addition of 400 microliters of Slurry E. Mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds. And let stand at room temperature for 10 minutes. Mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds. Centrifuge for 2 minutes at 2000 RPM. Discard the supernatant. Apply 400 microliters of ExoR Buffer to the slurry pellet. And mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds. Incubate the slurry pellet resuspended in the 400 microliters of ExoR Buffer at room temperature for 10 minutes. After incubation, mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds. Then centrifuge for 2 minutes at 500 RPM. Transfer the supernatant to a mini filter spin column assembled with a 2 ml tube. And centrifuge for 1 minute at 6000 RPM. Do not discard the flow-through which contains your purified exosomes. Your exosomes are now ready for any downstream applications. Exosomes that have been purified using this kit can be used in transmission electron microscopy, nanoparticle tracking analysis, Western blotting, liquid chromatography mass spectroscopy, and more. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. And remember to follow us on all of your favorite social media platforms. See you next time, at the bench.